Now we are doing our crystal necklace, crystal pendant necklace.
Yeah.
So let's start with the crystal pendant. 2 lines coming straight down like this.
Remember Ruthie has one of those necklaces? I have rose quartz and she has a black one and a green one. I have only a rose quartz.
A bit longer then.
Yeah.
It's really long like a pendant. Okay. And now we're going to do a shape, a triangle shape on the top and a triangle shape
At the bottom?
at the bottom.
Because there's nowhere else to do a triangle shape.
Now those 2 points before we've added the triangle, we're going to do a curved shape curving inward here, slightly curved, slight curve up and then back down, that's it. And then this one, the curve will be coming down more like a dish, just a little bit. Now we are going to add 2 lines. Well, bring that curve out just a tad more on each side. Just a little bit. Sort of, yeah. And then on this one, the same. But going downward. Not too much. Alright. Now we are going to join these 2 points here together in a nice straight line. Kind of looks like a rocket right now.
Mine it
going
does.
the other way. This side. We're going to join the edge up into the triangle, making a straight line like that.
Another one.
Yep, as straight as you can do these ones. And then the same for the bottom. And now to make it into a pendant that can attach to the necklace, I'm going to do a line coming across like this, just under, leaving a little gap. Going straight across. Yep. Going straight across. Not too far out. And then it's going to be a really long rectangle, so do 2 little lines, 1 on each side. And then bring this one over with just a slight curve in it. Slight curve. Beautiful.
Try to do stuff.
Now just fill that in with the black. I'm going to do just a little circle shape at the top, which we're going to fill in as well, just like that. From this side here, we're going to bring a line up and curve it into there, like half of a U shape. And the same on the other side. And then we're going to make that line just a little bit thicker by doing another line next to it and bringing it down. Okay, now what's left to make this a necklace?
The necklace chain thingy.
Okay, so we're going to have it as if it's hanging, coming down like this, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to start from one side and just bring it up like this.
Mine's basically a little kitten necklace.
Okay, and then the same on the other side.
We're going to add another line.
Yeah, so that doesn't have to be plain. We're going to add another line close to it, keeping it as same thickness as you can the whole way.
And the other side?
Just take your time.
Try to, we didn't go so well.
It's okay. You can have a bit of a thicker cord, and I have a little bit of a thinner cord.
Okay, so the umbrella is just touching it up.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Okay.
we're all done drawing. It's time to colour.
Okay. So we will fast forward this part and we will show you at the end. See you soon. Love it. That looks super cute.
Ruthie the Rainbow Roo. Let's have fun colouring and creating art.